Hey guys, we are back in the garage. We're doing a few enhancements to the General, a couple of parts swap outs, some things moving around. First off, I think I mentioned this in the last video, I've removed the Super ATV windshield. I've actually sold that. Got a guy coming to pick it up tomorrow. And then I'm moving to a Ryfab. These are the guys out of Utah, and I just got this kind of mid last week. I'm doing a little bit of prep right now before doing the actual install. Just a few notes about the unboxing. Number one, these guys, who I believe got their start doing powder coating, superb powder coating job. The quality of the materials, all looks really, really good. Good solid steel. These are made in I believe again it's Utah, so they're made in USA. Really, really nice welds. I really commend them on their welds, really high quality, good steel unit. We'll have a lot more on the windshield as we move forward. And also too, I'll just kind of show you the instructions here. It comes with all the hardware here. I've pulled a few things out and just kind of done a little bit of test fitting to see where things go. But again, a lot more on that coming up. I also have bought this off Amazon. I've already put a wiring extension on here. This is a windshield washer fuel pump, or not fuel pump, but a windshield washer pump that I'm gonna mount in the General, and probably mount the jets maybe somewhere over here that would kind of shoot up onto the windshield. I don't want to do it on the removable part, but I saw another guy on, I think it was the General forums, he mounted them over here and aimed them towards the windshield. It looked like it worked pretty well. So got that coming up. Also too, as part of the windshield removal, the Super ATV had a clasp down here so that when the windshield would fold down, you basically put in the handle there. And so I need to remove that. What I've got going on in here is, while I was doing the removal of the clips down here, I wanted to do a couple of other things. I had originally, this is my original center box, and I had my ram mount, just set it right here, had my ram mount right here. I was going to do some different things with it. I was going to run some wiring up to the back, change my mind on that, and then I was going to run my power port. This is also a voltmeter. I had a 3-gang here. I was going to put a bypass switch so I didn't have to have the key on. Never ended up doing that, and just kind of decided to go a different way. So when I was ordering the parts back in, I think it was February, from Rocky Mountain ATV, I went ahead and ordered an OEM replacement for that just to get it back to stock. So I'm just going to put that in stock, and then in order to make use of the holes that I have here, it just so happens that my ram mount plate will go into those two center holes. So I'm just going to reuse those and mount that up here. I think it'll be okay. If not, we can always do something later. But since I'm not going to be drilling any new holes, I think that's a good solution. So I'm working on that right now, and because of that, I'm going to move my USB adapter right over here. And if you can see it, I've already measured. You can see my my punch here. So this is the width and then the height. I've already measured where it's going to go, and then I'm going to get out my oscillating cutter and basically cut out this hole here. I still got to scribe the actual outline, but that's my plan for this right here, is just to mount this right here, and still will be mostly visible from the driver's side, but also still easy to reach when plugging in USB accessories. So that's what's going on right now. I will shoot another video once I get done and show how things ended up. Once that's all finished up and everything else on the machine is looking good, I'm just kind of doing a wiring inspection. Everything is looking good right now on the unit. And then I'll have some more videos, probably not until next weekend, on the windshield as I get that work done. But that's what's going on. Thanks to everyone for subscribing. I've had a lot of new subscribers lately. I really appreciate that. I'm really getting close to 1,000, which is awesome. And again, thanks for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Really, really appreciate it. Have a good one.